Hey guys, Bernard here from Leitner Designs. Wanted to show you around one of our new products, the Grenadier load bar adapter kit. And the reason you might be interested in this particular product is if you currently have one of our 3/4 or full length Grenadier racks and you occasionally want to put a rooftop tent up there. And the way this works is two 60-inch load bars with some custom aluminum brackets that attach directly to our ACS roof rack. It attaches with 8 bolts, so it's super easy to pop on and remove. And it also works in conjunction with one of 3 separate rooftop tent brackets that we manufacture. And we have a universal mount that fits pretty much every imported tent on the market. We make one specific for the iCamper rooftop tents. And we also have another kit for the James Baroud tent. And all of these attach within minutes and let you take on and off the rooftop tent. The other advantage here is obviously when you're removing the rooftop tent, you would just loosen 8 of our quarter turn fasteners and the load bars are going to pop off with the tent. So the next time you install it, you just need to drop the tent on, put it in the position you want, and tighten those screws. So it's a lot easier than trying to use the factory hardware that comes with the rooftop tent. Plus, this kit elevates the rooftop tent by about 2 inches, and that allows you access to all the hardware underneath the tent. We pride ourselves here at Leitner Designs to make the lowest platform rack for the Ineos possible, but that does require that we need to raise the tent up 2 inches so that you can get to all the hardware underneath so that you can fasten it. So the kit consists of 2 60-inch load bars and 4 custom mounting brackets. All the hardware is included. You will need to pick one of our 3 rooftop tent brackets to finalize the kit so that you can attach any rooftop tent on the market today. We also sell them as a single pack if you want to have 3 load bars up there instead of just 2. Most of the time you're just going to need 2, but we do sell them individually in case you have a tent that you feel needs 3 load bars, so we can do that as well. It's a super quick install. Take you about half an hour, not including lifting the rooftop tent up there, obviously. But that's basically it. Super easy to install, super quick. Hope you like what you see.